Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Crown Tech Communication. Now in this video I'm going to be showing us how we can create category and add them to our menu, how we can create page and also add them to our menu. Now in the previous video I showed you how we can install a themes for our template or themes for our blog website, how to customize it, how to set it up, how to add logo and how to add icon to it. Now I created a menu for us in the previous video and I told us that depending on the category we want to work with, so we need to create a category first before adding them to menu. Now in this video I'll show you how to create the categories and how to add them to our menu. Now let's go to dashboard, then click on what, post. After post, you see drop down menu, click on categories. Now under the category, it will ask you to start creating your category. Now just click on the name. First one, we need news. Then the slug is just, let's say, crowntech.com.ng slash whatever you want to use, news. That's all. Then what, add category. Let's add category. You see this thing that is loading, that is just rolling. Now it has stopped. Our category has been added. Can you see news? Now let's go up again. Sport. So what slug do we want to give it? sport. Sport also. But you see I put it in capital. You can put it anything. You can put anything you want. So that's what will be appearing via your website. So that's the name your category is going to carry. Can you see? So that one has been set. Let's click on education. This one I'll just put edu. Edu is okay for me. Then I'll click on add new category. Then the last one, let me just put another one, entertainment. Let me put ent. So it doesn't matter, it's just it's just the way it's going to appear. Now as I click on ent or edu, it's going to be crowntech.com.ng slash edu. So it will take me to my education category. Now we have created 4 categories in this blog. Now we want to add it to our menu. Come back to this place, click on appearance, then click on menus. Now when we click on menu, then we come down to this place. We have created a menu before. Our menu, that's this its menu. Then what is this thing? Okay, just need to what? Don't need all this. Let me remove all this before. These are some pages I created, then I have to remove them for the sake of this tutorial. Now click on what, mobile menu. Now we need to what, put everything under our mobile menu. That is, it will not be at the top, it will not be at the bottom. Just mobile. I told you what mobile menu is. Now come to these categories, view all. You go to view all, then select those one you have created, then click on add to menu. Once it has stopped rolling, that means it has been added to our menu. Then you just go down, then save it. But make sure you are saving it to the right part. You are saving it to the right part. So let's wait for it to stop rolling. Now it has stopped. That means that it has been added to menu. Can you see? This is education, entertainment, news, sport. Now let's add one menu again. I think the menu is not here again. We added it in our previous video, which is the custom link. Okay, it should be in the custom link. It's not here. Let's just create a custom link. Now custom link is the home page. Now let's say crowntech.com.ng. So that's our home page. Test, let's say home. Then add to menu. That's very important. The home is very important. The home is very. No, we did a mistake. This should be small letter. This should be small letter. Let's see if it will go. So the service is even bad. So let's wait for it. Like I said earlier on, the home is very important, because when you are working in any page or category and you need to return back to the home page, you can just click on your menu, then click on home. It will take you back to the landing page, which is the first page. That's the home page. So now we can see, now we have our what? We have our home. Can you see? So then come to this place, click on save menu. Now let's save our menu. Then after we have saved it, we'll go and check it and see how it has reacted. So let's just wait for it. We have clicked on save menu. Now can you see, menu has been updated. Now let's visit our site and see how it looks like. Now click on menu. Can you see everything has been updated? Education, entertainment, news, sports, and home. Now let's go back now and create pages and add them to our menu. Meanwhile, this time around, we are not going to add them to the top menu. We are going to add them to our footer. That is it. We want it to be showing under what? At this place, at the bottom of this place. So we want it to be showing there. Now let's go back to our dashboard, then create page, then add it to our menus. So after that, I'll show you how you can create posts. Then that's all for blogging website. So now I'll be showing us how we can create page. Let's create page. Come to this page, click on add new. Under this page, click on add new. So we want to add our new pages like about us, contact us, services we render, promote your business. All those pages you can add to your blog. You can just look for one blog and see the pages they are having, so that you can work with that to do your own. Now about Crown Tech, that's the name of the first page. Let's publish. Click on publish. That's all. Now let's add new again. Let's add like 2 or 3 pages. Contact us. Let's contact us. So that is also a page. Click on publish. That's also done. Then add new again. Now I'll show you, after this third one, I'll show you how you can add our pages to the menu. Let's say advertise your business. Advertise. No, let's just make it simple. Then we publish it. So let it just publish, then show you how you add all these pages to your menu. Let us wait for it. Now can you see, now advertise is now live. Now come back to this place, appearance, click on menus. click on menu. So let's wait for it. Now in this place, now since we are adding different thing and we are adding it to a different part, we just come to this place, create new menu. This up one, create a new menu. Now let's click on it and create a new menu, since we are working on a different menu. Now this one, e ask us what's the menu name. You can just write menu 2. Can you see? Then click on what, where do you want it to appear? We want it to appear at the down, we don't want it to appear at the mobile. Now let's click on what, mobile footer. And if you want it to appear at the 2, let's just click on the 2. Now we'll see how it is going to appear. Create menu, click on create menu. The way it appear in the footer is also the way it appear. Now let's now add items to our menu. Now advertise, contact and about, then add to menu. That's just the 3 we want to add, nothing more. We are not adding any category to it. That's just it. The category, we have separated it from the word, from the main page. So that is how you can what, you can add menu. You can separate the pages. You don't want the pages to be in the same menu with the category. Can you see? You have separated them. Now when it add, now I'll save what, I'll save my work. Then you see how it's going to what, how they are going to appear. So it's still roaming, still loading. Now it has, so this is what we have now. Now let's go and save it. Let's save our work. Let's save our work. Now it will tell us that menu 2 has been updated. Let's go to our website, visit website and see how it appears. Let's go down. Can you see? Advertise, contact, about. Can you see? So that is how you can add menu separately. You can add to the footer, you can add to the mobile, and you can add to the header place. Now it's very good you do it like this, so that you differentiate between the categories. When people visit your website, they will know that when you click on this top menu, what you just find is your categories. Then on the bottom menu, what you find is what, your pages. So can you see that is okay? Now let's move to the next agenda. Now we want to create a post, then assign the post to its own category, and we see how it's going to what, how it's going to appear. Now before that, I'll just teach you how you can add content to your page. Like about us now, there's nothing there. If you click on it, it will tell you that there's nothing there. Let's click on about Crown-Tech. You don't have much time again. Now can we see we are not having anything under our what, under about us. Now let me take you to let me walk you through how you are going to add text. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Then come to this place, click on page or pages. I'm going to do for one alone. I'm not, and I won't add a lot of things. Just click on edit. The page you want to edit, click on edit. Then it will come up. Then you type the content you want to add. You type the content. Let me just copy this. I think I have a content here. Let me just copy it so that it will be fast. Yeah. Copy this. Let me select all and I'll copy. Now let me just go back to our browser. Now let me type. Since I click on it, it will come up, it will tell me to type. Now let me just paste it. You know how to paste already. No, this is not what I want. Come down here. Click on paste. So this is what we have. Just click on what? Click on update. Now even before that, if you want to add image to our page, just click this positive sign, but first let your cursor be at where maybe you want to add page to this down part. Can you see? I'll make sure the cursor is at the place. Can you see? At this place. And if you want it to